Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous alcohol ink envelope where I will show you how to make the background using alcohol inks, how to create the paper quilling flowers in different style and how to construct the envelope. It's looking very attractive and the color combination is also looking very nice, isn't it? So let's get started. First here I am taking this alcohol ink synthetic paper by Little Birdie. This pack contains 4 A4 size papers and this is having 185 GSM in thickness. So I have already cut one strip from the pack which is 21 by 9 centimeters, and this is the special paper made to create your alcohol work, and I am here using green and black color alcohol inks from Little Birdie and iCraft. You can use any brand alcohol ink. Just shake it nicely before using the inks, and here and there randomly I am adding few drops of green color and black color. Then using alcohol blending solution by Little Birdie, shaking it also and applying this blending solution on each alcohol ink part so that all the colors will get smudged and blend with each other nicely. Allow it to flow naturally and it will create its own design. If you need, you can use blower or hair dryer to blow the alcohol blending solution to create different textures. Allow it to dry. Then here I am taking 121 by 9 centimeter white color cardstock, and on both sides of this strip I am adding double-sided tacky tape. Then I am going to attach one gold mirror cardstock on backside of this, which is 21.5 by 9.5 centimeters. So on backside of white strip I am adding some more double-sided tacky tape strips. Removing the liners and sticking it on gold mirror cardstock. And this is done. Now I will show you how to create the envelope. So here I am taking white color cardstock base. I have already created the creases here, and this measures 25 by 24 centimeters. This is having 250 GSM thickness. From left side I have creased on 7.5 centimeters and 17 centimeters. And on other side I have creased on 1 centimeters each. I have just chopped all 4 corners on 1 centimeters and just kept the center part as it is. Now I am folding all the creases and burnishing it very well. Then just adding 2 double-sided tacky tape strip on both the sides to close the envelope. And the envelope is ready. Now it's time to stick our gold mirror cardstock base on the envelope front. So using my liquid adhesive, I am just sticking it with the base. And the base of the envelope is ready. Now removing these front liners also of double-sided tacky tape and sticking my alcohol pattern on this. So it's completely dried and I'm using the back side of the design. Since this is the translucent sheet, so you can use any of the side. So I'm using the back side so that the ink will not stick with our hands, because after drying also sometimes it feels like sticky. Now here I am taking this beautiful mandala Insta transfer sheet by iCraft. This is in the gold color. So I'm just dividing it in two parts. Now removing the top liner and sticking on the envelope. Just spreading water using flat brush on both the designs. Now slightly removing the top coat of this, just removing the top paper, and it will give you very nice beautiful golden mandala pattern printed on your envelope. This is very satisfying to watch this removing work, and it's looking absolutely amazing. Then it's dried and I'm just adding two golden border designs on both the sides. I have used my scallop border punch to cut these borders. You can use any design border which you have. Like this. Then I am starting with making my quilling flowers. For my first flower I am taking half strip of light pink color and half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm. Making a loose coil. Secure the end using glue. And then gathering all the coils in one point, adding glue and stretching it for few seconds. Now creating the drop shape. And 1 point petal drop is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 3 more petals. So I'm just joining all 4 petals to make the flower. Now to create the center of the flower, I am taking one strip of light yellow color in 3 mm and making one tight dome shape. To make the dome, I am using my quilling mold. Now just filling the dome using liquid glue and adding this on the flower. And this is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more flowers with same procedure. Now for the next flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of off-white color and making one teardrop shape. I will join total 4 petals together and making the flower. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now I am starting with making the small cute light green color leaves. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color in 3 mm. This is the fluorescent green color, and making one leaf shape. To create one leaf, I am using total 6 petals. Now taking small strip of same color strip and adding glue on both the sides and attaching all 6 petals with this. So the super cute leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 3 more leaves. Then for the next leaf, I am taking here sap green color strip, making 4 loops in increasing order. Then on left and right sides, I am making 2 more leaves in little decreasing order. Wrapping the strip around this, cutting the excess strip and securing the end using glue. So leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more. Now taking back my envelope and just adding little splashes of gold acrylic colors using my paintbrush on both the corners. Like this, and then I will start decorating my envelope using handmade flowers and leaves. Like this. Then just to fill little gaps between the flower arrangement, I am adding here white color half cut pearls. Like this. And at the end I am adding the sentiment congratulations, which I cut using congratulation die by Dress My Craft on white color cardstock. If you don't have die, you can write any message on right side. So the beautiful alcohol inked envelope with the quilling flower decoration is ready. It's a very unique idea to create your own envelopes. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.